Welcome to Habitly Episodes, a production of Manage to Win. These short animated lessons are now completely free. Watch them on your own or work through them as a team. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and share your favorite episodes with others. Try to find something that helps you become your best. Mary has been hired as the new VP of Sales for a big marketing firm. Her first task is to get acquainted with the sales team and their operations. Coming from a small firm, she plans to bring her A game and impress the executive team. But Mary's about to find out this big marketing firm has some big problems.
Hey, everybody's invited at Lucy's today, okay? I want at least one person to show up, okay? I know Lucy. It's gonna be a good time.
Come on, guys. Hey, put that down. Will everybody just sit down? Mary's here. We need to start the meeting.
Bro, so I say to her, bro, listen, honey, you may think you're some kind of princess, but I dump every girl after the third date she doesn't put on. You know what I'm saying, potato chip?
Hey, you going to happy hour at Lucy's today? Because I don't want to go by myself again. I want to see you there. Don't wear that shirt, though, Trevor.
Rules of engagement. Meetings. Do not attend a meeting you were not invited to.
Assistant managers.
Hey. Watch where you're going, Terry.
Dude, you don't even work here. Always come to meetings fully prepared.
Mary, I'd actually like to explain a new service our company introduced 3 months ago. So far, no one is selling it. I'd like just 15 to 20 minutes to talk to everyone about why it's so beneficial and how to sell it.
Absolutely. Thank you for showing up prepared, Jose. You're a rock star. From now on, I want everyone arriving prepared, actively participating, and behaving professionally. The agenda for future meetings should be sent out at least 24 hours before the meeting. If anyone wants to discuss something that's not on the agenda, then they should contact the meeting organizer well before the meeting. Does everyone agree?
Mary, 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 Mary.
Let's get to work.
Now let's talk about some best practices. Follow these tips to have good, productive meetings. Number 1, establish behavioral rules for participants in all meetings and enforce the rules in every meeting. Number 2, have a clear objective for each meeting. Number 3, prepare and share an agenda in advance and follow it during the meeting. Number 4, start and end on time. And number 5, confirm action items, deadlines, and the next meeting before anyone leaves. Also, email this information to all participants within 4 business hours after the meeting ends.